Commission nase-UIF. Namhlanje sila eKZN ukuthi sokhuluma nabantu bemedia. Sibashele nje kabanzi ukuthi i-UIF ime kanjani so far in terms of financial sustainability. Is UIF still able to pay our benefits? Is it financially sound? People suppose we worry it as now in the middle of the call since we paid COVID. And then we should mean about the UIF is strong, UIF is sustainable. To date, we've been able to receive just over 5.8 billion rands in contributions, and we paid just under 8 billion rands in benefits. Which is to make Imali for PIC and invest and grow our investment portfolio. Lokhu kusibeka ethubeni lokusikwazi ukuthi if we are facing the same condition as COVID, singahle sikwazi ukusiza lapho nalapho la sikhona ukusiza khona. Enye futhi into bengiyithula namhlanje ku-media ukuthi i-UIF is working with the likes of Absa, Capitec. Kahle sifuna ukuthi sivale into ze-fraud. Manje masebenza nabantu who are ahead of you, Absa and Capitec. They've already dealt with this means of fraud that you know is struggling with. Yes, is a level ukuthi mawubheka no Absa yakwazi ukuthi uye ku-Absa bakukhuluma details akho, yakwazi ukuthi uye ku-ATM. The same way that you go and log on to ATM, uzokwazi ukuthi ubone ama-offerings e-UIF to get to confirm your banking details. And we the law information, law one we attach on our online platform, which has now been upgraded to enable attachment of documents, including your banking details. That is a funnel to UIF, ungazi to our visitors. Because as introduce ESSD, we can just do *134*843 hash, and you are able to track your claim. You should almost popular. I want to have smartphones. ESSD, you are going to phone manage as soon as the app places are the Basha smartphones. Mobile phone about banging is the the technology in the tip of their heads and apply. I have got fully any to receive as an namhlanje ukuthi Imali ngakanani yaphathelwa ku-COVID test like KZN. Bengibajela ngaphakathi ukuthi 9.2 billion rands was paid to KZN, which is 14% of the total portfolio. KZN came at 3, but KZN is coming number 1 when it comes to fraud. Noma kufanele imali encane, but KZN iphakamisisana elithi neqhaza funa ukutshotsha. Kanti akuyona into esithokozelayo nathi ukuthi Imali that was due to go to South Africans, so ngalondlela besebenza nabo National Prosecuting Authority, sebenza with the Freezing Center, also we work with the Hawks and the Scorpions, all of these law enforcement agencies that make it possible for us to arrest the perpetrators. We have a number of them that are now serving prison sentences, some of them are in court, and some of them, their cases are being reinvestigated. Just 3 weeks ago, there was a couple in Midrand that was sentenced to 5 years in prison for defrauding COVID tests. There was another accountant, I think about 3 months ago, who was sentenced to 20 years in prison. So what we are saying to the South Africans is the law will catch up with you. It might take long, but at some point will catch up with you to make sure that Imali estate is recovered. Yeah, amathini are-approve akwenzeki lutho. Yes, kuyiqiniso lokho ukuthi there are some claims that are not approved and are taking long to be processed. Inkinga esinayo kakhulukazi nje manje i-compliance. Ukuthi uya-apply, amaqeda uku-apply, mase sithi check ama-records akho asikutholi. And masingakutholi asikwazi ukuthi sikhokhele umshwalense ongakhokhelayo. Ngiyazi ukuthi nawe nje mhlawumbe une-funeral policy. If akhokhanga for 3 months, baye-cancela nje. Nathi ngokunjalo asikhanseli kodwa thina ihlala ikhona nje inkinga izoba khona ukuthi ngeke sikwazi ukukhokhela. Kodwa into emnandi ke ukuthi masingakutholi sinama-inspectors. Thina ama-inspectors to your company, ama-companies athole yonke imininingwane yakho ayi-capture bese siyakukhokhela ke kumele sikhali sesinemininingwane yakho yonke.
kulezi ingqinamba abantu abekade be-aplayela u-350 oyi-grant thola ukuthi abanye abaphuzeki then base bethiwa baye kwa-UIF beyo-aplya mhlawumbe thola ukuthi kade agcina ukusebenza but nakhona thola ukuthi izinto zakhe azibi-successful so lowo muntu wenze njani lolo side
kahle kahle nje njengoba ungibuza lo mbuzo last night besikhuluma nabantu base-social development ukuthi how do we work together ngama-data sets ethu so-2 ngoba iphutha esilenzayo mhlawumbe ezi-government ukuthi uthatha i-data ye-UIF umuntu oke wasebenza bese sicabanga ukuthi lo muntu lo uyasebenza manje kanti lo muntu lo una-10 years engasebenzi. That's a discussion we are having with social development ukuthi uma sibanikeza i-data set yethu kumele bathele nge-form enjani ezibasiza ukuthi nabo on their side bakwazi ukuthi baprocess ama-claims abantu bangaluzi out on the 350. So that's the discussion we are having now because we are equally concerned, both departments, about people who are missing out on the 350.
Singalani isikhathi ongasithembisa laba basobekhlele ukuthi umuntu washona manje uyilapho siyazi ukuthi umkhanyile kodwa uyaqhubeka uyadedisana abangabaphesheya because bagcina sebedida abantu njengoba
yazi inkinga yokuthi yemininingwane engekho kunzima ukuthi sibeke isikhathi ngoba uma sifika kuwe njengomqashi sifike kuwe usidoshe ngoba khona abaqashi ngiyakutshela nje ngingafika la KZN for COVID test umqashi wavuma ukuthi sifike kuye uma sifike sathola i-valid inyanga every time saye kuyakhanda namanye ngikhuluma nge-CEO base mthini ocingweni athi hayi cha mina nginaso isikhathi senu sathi yabona-ke manje sesobiza amaphoyisa ngoba yilapho-ke eba-available ukusinikeza imininingwane yabo inkinga esihlangana nazo lezo that makes it difficult ukuthi ngathi I commit to time because angazi ukuthi umqashi uma ngithi ngizakuye ngithi ngifuna imininingwane ethize uzoresponda kanjani.
Mhlawumbe ngizwela mhlonishwa phakathi
chairperson usize ndoda. Okay,
let's take Dion and then
what's the calling
you? Okay,
okay, but just manage, I'm sure.
No, mhlonishwa ngiyakuzwa mhlawumbe kukhona enye into oyikhuluma ngaphakathi ekuthenini kunamanye ama-companies eniyabheka through CSPC ukuthi ngempela aka-exista yini. Ngike ngayibona lento yenzakala ikakhulukazi kule genge yakwa-security. You would find ukuthi i-security iqashiwe but yayigcine registered. So sibeka kanjani lo muntu okuthiwa mhlambe inkampani leyo bekade esebenza kuyona dala iyagcina ukuvuselela even nakwa-SARS ukukhokha zonke into kanjalo kodwa ibisakwazi ukuthi inikeze amathenda ukuthi esebenze umuntu nangu njengamanje usethi ayi angisasebenzi sengicela phela lokho bekuncane bekuthathwa ke.
Indaba esihlangana nazo thina-ke everyday ezisubuhlungu yizo lezi lezo ukuthi uthole ukuthi abantu they're in our queues, they're standing for hours. Umuntu athi uyakhala ukuthi manje nginezikweletu angikwazi nokukhokhela i-school fees abantu ababalala bengadlile angikwazi nokususa ikati eziko kanti futhi nathi on our side kuba lukhuni ukuthi simkhokhele ngoba sinayo imininingwane yakhe yabo. So into esiyenzayo manje as you can see our processes is now sesebenza nabo SARS sesebenza nabo CIPC because the CIPC now shares their data with us. So if you are applying with us and with the company TZ, so I want to check their company on a CSP database, and we're able to see what their company has been active for how long. Some of the companies, they're not even contributing or paying what is due to CIPC or to SARS. So there's many delinquent companies that are just doing things wrong. And that's the thing that we're doing with our inspectors. We've increased our inspector base now by 250 more inspectors, so that they can have a more reach and go to these companies.
Thanks. You can be next and then Dion.
Okay, this is Cindy Utility from Women in Energy and Climate Change. So my question is, angeke nikwazi ukuthi nenze i-reach to the employee like njoba nithi nisebenzisana nama-banks ukuthi if I'm employed by isivinini newspaper, listen, ni-track from the employee ukuthi yes uthe usebenzisa isivinini does it pay
UIF, because the problem there okhuluma ngayo ukuthi abantu they stand kuma-lines for forever. It's because there is no signage between the employees nani no SARS. So angeke kuyini ukuthi njengoba nithi nizosebenzisana nama-banks ngoba if mina ngi-employed for esivinini, so I'll be going to the bank and open the bank account. Then we track it from there so that nizo eliminate the issue ukuthi abantu bastede kuma-line amade kanti kade bedonselwa ama-UIF bese kufanele bathole abasatholi next.
Yes. Ushentshweni umiqiniso nje. Into esiyenzile manje with the USSD nayo uphethe phone or ila or ish. Because I want to try something. Because what we've done, we introduced star 134 star 843 hash.
Can you repeat it? Okay.
Star 134 star 843 hash. Okay. Now, when you go on that process, you've got an option of 3. Option number 3, it is now it goes now direct to the employee. Some companies are also. So, every month they deduct from me. But when I don't know if I did their product, and with this option, we are saying check yourself as an employee. So you check as an employee, you do star 134 star 843 hash option 3. And then it will ask you the details, you confirm those details. Then it will confirm to you if your company is cashing a normal card, if they are declaring with UIF normal card. If it's not, there's an option to complain, where you tell us as UIF, and then you give us the details of the company, then tell us what we inspectors anonymously. The company will not know it is you. They'll just see inspectors rocking up to do an inspection. And in that inspection, now we are linking back to you now. You wanted to follow up. You wanted to make a follow-up.
No, you've already answered my question.
Okay, Dion and then the lady we have to have for this commissioner another interview. 5 minutes.
Thank you, Commissioner, for your time. You mentioned that there's an increase in inspectors. However, the people most defrauded in most companies are generally those not in the know, would say somewhat in the shift, who often are signing documents without realizing the fraud that is taking place. Does the UIF and the have programs in place that will educate those workers? The second point is the employers, the multi-millionaires.
And I take it one at a time.
Sure.
Let's start with the first one. Then you ask the second one. Sure. Are we doing something to educate workers? Yes. This is one reason why we have this media proof. We are going to Northwest to engage COSAD. We are going to be going around now to engage workers. I don't want to engage COSAD, we are engaging worker representative. But to your point, not every worker is represented by COSAD or producer. And that's why one of the things that we are trying to do now is to go to the radio stations and talk to people and do sleeping on the job. And also communicate to the communities about options about now. Like this star 134 star 843 hash is one of the tools that we are saying at the basic level. A person is able to send a WhatsApp function. He's able to send a message. So they should be able to do star 134 star 843 hash and follow the prompts. If Umuntu has received money via what is that FNP thing? E-wallet. If you receive money via e-wallet and you are able to change your PIN on the e-wallet, then you can use. So we are trying to simplify and enable the public, but we are not doing as well as we would like in terms of education. So it's a journey that we are undertaking aggressively now.
The second part of it was the actual employers, the multi-millionaires. We often find in news that they have been arrested or convicted in cases of housing couple, and then 2 years later. But the employees or the general public do not see success. They see the arrest, they do not see the success because often it is years before the conviction or arrest, and by which time often the money is disposed of in terms of asset value. It can't often be recovered, which means a loss for the DEL, the UIF, and the workers who don't receive the funds. Is there a process that can be used to alleviate that?
You know, the interesting part, I was actually explaining this to 702 the other day. The interesting part, the fraudsters are not defrauding real workers. They come to your community, for example, in Kwamashu, for example, and they pick people who are not employed, who are not working, and they take their details and use them to defraud. So when you get them, it's because they've used details that are not in our system, that are not declared. So workers are not losing out. I think that's I don't know if it's a good thing, but I think for us, it's a good thing in the sense that the workers that we thought would be affected are not affected.
So what's the percentage of those fraudulent activities?
It's actually more than 90% of them. The couple that was caught in Midrand, they have applied for 110 people, but they've only employed 10 people. Yeah. So they added an additional 100. So the 10, they paid them their money. It was only the 100 whose money they kept. You see, and that's how these fraudsters manipulate the pudding that the government is trying to do. Because we had opened that door. In the beginning, when we introduced COVID tariffs, we had said if we are not in our records, we are not paying. But as we are learning, we realized that companies may have defaulted in their payments. Now we are going to get workers to suffer because companies didn't do their part. Then we opened that door. Once we opened that door, then companies took advantage of it. All fraudsters.
How many cases
Oh, I see. Now I don't know them by heart. They're in the presentation.
So when they interview dismiss, or organize an interview dismiss.
In the interview of 5 to 5.
Thank you so much, colleagues. The other presenters are still available